Hey there, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to create a branded ad campaign on Facebook and Instagram to promote your business. Starting on the dashboard, find Branded Ad Campaigns from the GoDaddy Arrow list of features. Select Launch an Ad. On the Digital Ads dashboard, select Create My Ad to start the wizard, which will help walk you through the process. Choose Facebook and Instagram ad. Choose what you'd like to accomplish with your ad. Drive traffic to your website, get your name out there with brand awareness, get more phone calls, or get more visitors to your physical store. Let's get more traffic to our website. In the next step, choose the platform that you want to run the ad on. I'm choosing both Facebook and Instagram, but you can choose them individually. Select Next. Next, choose your target audience. If you want local customers, choose people in a specific city, state, or zip code, and then type in the address. I'm an online business, so I'm choosing people who live anywhere in my country. You can also adjust the gender or age range preferred. 18 is the minimum age, while 65 plus is the maximum. Select Next. Let's start building our ad. You can upload your own photo or use one of the pre-made templates. Let's customize this one. Select Edit Image to open the GoDaddy Studio Editor. The first thing I want to do is adjust the color palette. A lot of options here, but let's go with this one. Next, make any adjustments to the text by selecting the text box. I want to add a custom image to my ad, so select the current image and hit Delete on the keyboard. Then select Image and Upload Image. Navigate on your local drive to find your photo and select Open. This would look so much better without the background. We can fix that. Select Remove. Voila! Now grab the corner of the image and drag to resize. This looks great. Select Continue. Back on the ad wizard, select Next. This is where we can edit the headline and text around the ad. You can also select the refresh icon that will use AI to fill in the text box. Of course, you can always edit the text manually. Choose from this list what you'd like the call to action button to say. I like Shop Now. Now, add a link to the web page you'd like your new customers to visit. By default, this is your website's homepage. The live preview will show you exactly what your ad will look like. When ready, select Next. Now, choose a budget that works for you and choose how long you want the ad to run. It will be split evenly over the number of days preferred. I'm going to start my ad today, but you can choose a day in the future. Select Next. You must allow Facebook to access your account to run the ad. Select Grant Access and follow the prompts. The last thing you need to do is add a payment method so Facebook can charge for the ad. Select Add Payment. If you already have a payment method attached to your Facebook account, it will appear here. I don't have one, so select Add Payment Method. The business location and currency should reflect the settings in your account, but you can adjust them here if needed. Select Next. Choose your payment method and select Next. Fill in your payment details and select Save. Select Done when finished. Select Close. Your ad is ready to launch, but take a few minutes to review it carefully. Use the Preview dropdown to view the ad in Facebook, Instagram, and Instagram Stories. When you're ready, select Launch My Ad to push the ad out on social media platforms. Once the ad has been launched, you can keep track of the progress on this dashboard. You'll see impressions and clicks on the ad. If you need to make any changes to the ad, select Edit. That's it. Your ad is up and running and will soon bring customers to your website. Thanks for watching.